Welcome to Cake and Flakes. This is Haya with an interesting recipe. Today I'm gonna make molten lava cake. The ingredients are 170 grams of compound, half cup of butter, half cup of icing sugar, 1/4 cup of flour, a pinch of salt, and 2 egg yolks. So let's preheat the oven. First we have to adjust the temperature into 200 using the down coil at 10 minutes. Now I'm going to beat eggs and egg yolks together with a whisk. Next I'm going to melt my dark compound and the butter together. Our melted compound and butter. Next I'm going to combine our flour mix and egg together. With the whisk. You have to mix it well. Next I am going to add our melted compound and butter together. So this is known as ramekins mold. I already greased them with cocoa powder and butter. So now I am going to pour the butter with spatula, just a half. So our preheating is over and I am going to place the ramekins into the OTG. So I'm going to reset my temperature into 180 and using the down coil for 20 to 25 minutes. Now I took the lava cake from the OTC. Now I'm going to cut it. A molten lava cake is ready. So our molten lava cake is ready. Let's try it. Wow, it's so yummy. And hope you guys try this at home and be free to ask us any doubt in this recipe. Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, like and turn the notification bell on for more videos. Take care. Bye bye.